Today we'll talk about how can you enable traded mode on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings. So then you can to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on trade preferences, you just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just come here to traded mode, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean traded mode enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.